this is Sierra with Sierra's Crafty Creations, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create an I-cord in crochet. First, we're going to start with a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 3. Then we're going to insert our hook in the second chain, and we're just going to pull up a loop. So you have 2 loops on your hook, and then you're going to insert your hook to the 3rd loop and pull up another loop. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Now this is the scary part. You're going to hold it at the base here with your middle finger and your thumb. Take your hook out from the first 2 loops. So you only have the first loop on your hook. Hold on tight. Take the yarn and pull it through this loop. Then you're going to insert your hook into the next loop, and you're going to chain 1, pull up a loop, insert into the 3rd loop, and pull up another loop. So now you'll have 3 loops on your hook again, and that's how it will look in the front and then in the back. And you're just going to repeat this over and over to create your I-cord. So again, holding tightly, because if you hold too loosely, you'll lose those loops. So you want to hold down, pull out your hook, so you just have the 1 loop on your hook. Take the yarn and pull it through around the back. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook. There we go. And pull up a loop in the 3rd one. So again, guys, we're just going to keep repeating this. Alright, so that's what the front looks like. So you kind of have like the 2, and then in the back has essentially 1. So this creates a nice little cord, and it's has a little bit of stretch to it, and it's just really strong, and it gives off a nice look. And I use this for purse strings like this. This is how it'll look once you keep going. It creates a nice little rope look to it, and it's perfect for purse strings, and if you use smaller yarn, maybe some drawstrings. So things like that you can use I-cords for. So you'll just keep repeating those steps until you get the length that you want. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. You just want to make sure that you're holding on so you don't lose those 2 loops in the middle. And you just keep repeating these steps until you get the length that you want. And that is it. That's an I-cord.